Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to grab a free Zalando promo code to score discounts on stylish fashion items. To get started, head over to easycoupon.co/Zalando or simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your phone's camera to access the site directly. Once you're on the site, enter your email address. This is important because your Zalando promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. I'm entering my email now so you can see how easy it is. Next, choose your device, whether you're using an Apple or Android phone, and click Continue. Since I'm on an Android device, I'll select that option. The site will quickly begin generating your promo code. Now, to confirm that you are a real human and not a bot, the site will ask you to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are totally safe and from reputable publishers with millions of downloads. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or reach a certain level in a game, like level 9 or 10. This is a standard verification step to make sure you're a real person and not a bot. It's totally worth it because once you complete it, your Zalando promo code will be sent straight to your inbox. I'll speed up the process now with some background music while I complete the apps. And there it is. I'm refreshing my inbox. And I've got my free Zalando promo code. Enjoy the savings, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome deals. Happy shopping!